Kambende wayudo kanyo ni jotelo mago mopogore opogore sani to koro kwayo piny owacho mano mamalo mar mondo mi oduok kede e sikunde mar bero wechego mago mag luor kaachiel kod somo ma obiro kaluwore kod rang'iny mamalo mago ma bende jopuonjre mopogore opogore osebedo kawang'o sikunde e gwenge mopogore opogore e pacho kae. Kane giloso e sach nyasi mano mar sidho jatend jopuonje mag NAT e badino mano ma Kuria East County ma Migori ne oyangore ni wechego mago mag koso luor kaachiel kod rem somo e yono makare ne obiro to ka bende piny owacho mamalo ne joketo thenge keto luor kuom nyithindo kata kuom jopuonjre ka okalo kuom lido gi Orlando.
That idea of the cane, which was removed from the Kenyan education system, is what is breeding all these problems. We appeal to the government to bring back a punishment that will make teachers benefit from what they are doing in schools. Teachers are doing a very good job. But if the children and the students know that you cannot do anything to them, they will ban schools. And that is what is happening now. Tunasema pole sana, but we want the government to reconsider that element.
The biggest development is in the mind. It is in your mind. If you put it and implement it, it becomes the actual development. That is why hata hii 2 terms tunasema, tunamwambia president apate 2 terms because he is investing heavily in recruitment of teachers. If you look at the investment that the previous administration put in teachers, Rais Ruto imepita zaidi. Kwa hivyo he is investing in the minds of our young children. He is investing in our potential. He is investing in our ability to do right things for ourselves and for the nation.
Kwa hivyo mimi nawasihi na kupongeza walimu na wasihi pia wazazi, tusaidie walimu hao kufanya kazi yao nzuri. Walimu wawe na nafasi ya kufundisha, ile conducive environment ya kufundisha watoto, ndio watoto wetu wapite. Lakini na nyinyi wazazi, tukae na watoto wetu tufundisha wao tabia nzuri, maadili bora. Na pia watoto wetu, najua mko hapa, mkuwe na discipline. You must have discipline for you to be where some of us are.
Come 2027, things are going to change. They are going to change from worse to better, and eventually we will be the best because we must have model ECD centers within Migori County. We will not accept being told that one ECD costing 500,000 is a development against 11 billion. Wajinga walisha Migori.